Hello buddy, welcome to another video. We're in the van at the moment, but more than that, I'll just spin you around. We're in the Lake District. It's incredibly windy, but we're actually up here with Daryl and Keith from Campervan Tales. Basically, our first outing is joining some experienced people, so we've got some idea of what we're actually doing, or that's the semblance of it anyway.
You think we know?
Well, more than we know anyway. But I'll pop a link to their channel down below, so go and check them out. I'll apologise for the wind noise, but we are in a valley on Honister Pass and it's horrendous. So I had the first couple of nights away, been absolutely brilliant. A couple of little tweaks to the van, but that was the idea of coming away. We get some idea of what's needed. We're going to head up into Keswick now, so we'll take you with us and take you for a wander around. And obviously we can't really go out without visiting a cafe, so we popped into Lakeside Cafe and Restaurant. Really nice in there, definitely recommend it. So if you're in Keswick, get down towards the lake, pop in, really good. So Keswick's on the shores of Derwentwater, and where we are today, we're just going to have a bit of a wander around, but you can actually sort of hire boat trips out onto the water and sort of investigate some of the areas, but it's really pretty. Quite busy, but then again, it's been a decent weekend weather-wise, and it's a Sunday, so it is quite a popular touristy place, so if you're not into crowds, it's probably not the best for you, but we'll take you for a wander with us and show you some of the sights as we go around. So this is a bit of a marker that's laid out on the stone wall. It lists which of the fells you can see over there, which is quite a good idea really, especially for someone like me that really doesn't know the Lake District very well. But what a glorious place. Like I said, we're up here with the guys from Campervan Tales. And like I said before, I'll pop a link to their video channel down below. Go check them out, do some really interesting stuff. Like I said, they've had their van for quite a while now. It's a converted Renault Master old ambulance, and it gives you a bit more of an idea of what sort of things are available. But obviously, our build, that was something completely different. That's something that come up with looking at other different builds and cherry picking the bits that we thought would work, and yeah, it seems to work. The first couple of nights in it have been absolutely brilliant. I'll do a bit of a sort of proper tour when we get back, so you can see what the van's come out like now. So now completed and used, and what sort of things we've found being away. But yeah, it's been good. We've really enjoyed ourselves, and I think it's the start of something that we're going to be doing quite regular. So yeah, keep an eye on the channel. There'll be a lot more adventures coming up soon. So, first couple of nights done in the van. What do you think to it, Trace?
Brilliant, loved it.
So, a few little bits and bobs that we need to sort out. Nothing major, just little tweaks and a couple of little odds and sods, but I'll document those as we do it. But yeah, absolutely brilliant experience, and it's just brilliant up here in the lakes. If you ever get a chance to come up, get up here, it's brilliant.
Definitely doing it again soon.
Oh yes. I've just found this in the car park. Not seen one for years, a mini Moog. Fantastic little thing. If you've ever seen the TV series The Prisoner, you'll have seen them in there. But yeah, amazing. And there was one real bonus about the colour scheme on her van. You could really see it in a car park. So now wandering around Keswick town itself. It's a beautiful, quaint little place. Some lovely shops here as well. We've just passed an ice cream store, which might get a visit on the way back down towards the van, I think. But yeah, it's lovely. I'll do a couple of shots around. And big thing with the Lake District is Wainwright. He basically named most of the fells and sort of wrote a complete guide on how to climb them and what to look for and stuff like that. So there's a lot of references around there. to do with him as well. So yeah, it's lovely. There's a Moog hall in the middle of Keswick, and the clock has only got one hand. How do you tell the time with that then? There's quite a few gift shops around as well, so if you need anything sort of picking up, yeah, you can get some souvenirs and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a lovely little town. Quite busy on a Sunday, especially with the weather being like it is. But yeah, well worth a visit if you're in the area. So if you enjoy that little wander around Keswick, like I say, it's been our first weekend away and we've really enjoyed it. There's a couple of little tweaks on the van, but yeah, I'll be documenting them as we make the changes. But yeah, it's been great, loved it. Definitely coming back, and so I think next time I'll probably sort of do a few different places as well. Like I say, I've enjoyed the photography, but this weekend was more about the van than the photos. But yeah, loved it. So watch this space, we'll get some more stuff through on the channel, a few more adventures coming up as well. But like I say, if you like the video, please hit the like button, help me out no end. If you're not subscribed, give us a subscribe as well, love it. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.